In this short video, we're going to take a few minutes to show you how you can log into your virtual exhibit booth and add promotional resources like your company logo, a video, PDF documents, company description, etc. First step is to go to the chapter website at www.cai-padelval.org. And from the home page, put your mouse over the Attend menu item and scroll down to Annual Conference and Expo and click on 2020 Exhibitor and Sponsor Information. From here, you're going to scroll down to the middle of the page and click on the button that says click here to log into your exhibitor record. From here, you're going to enter the email address you used to buy your booth and your billing ID number. And if you don't have your billing ID number, we can get that information for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see your exhibitor information. And over here on the right side, you'll see a tab called Content. Click on the Content tab, and this is where you will be able to upload your company logo, put a link into your welcome video, a company description, add links to your website and your social media pages, and add resources like PDF documents, other links, etc. To add a resource, click on the Add Resource button. Once you hit the Add Resource button, a pop-up window will open. Enter in the resource name. Type in a brief description. And then you're going to select the resource file. You have two options here. You can upload a PDF or other file, or you can put in an external link, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to the CAI website and grab the Gold Star link. Copy that link and paste it in there. And then you can add a thumbnail image as well. And again, you can either upload an image from your desktop or you can grab a link from an external website. I'm going to upload an image from my computer. And there's the image, and then hit the Save button. You can scroll down and you'll see the new resource has been added. Scroll back up, be sure to hit Save Changes, and you'll get a green indication that your profile has been updated. Next, you'll want to click on the Booth Information tab. And from here, you'll be able to select business categories that apply to your organization. These categories are identical to what is used in the CAI member directory, so select any and all that apply to your business. And be sure to hit the Save button. And then click on the Staff tab. And from here you can enter in your staff names. And if you click on one of the individual staff names, you can confirm the information here is correct. Some of this information may have been pre-populated already from when you purchased your booth. And you can also set a profile picture by clicking the Set button and uploading a photo. And again, be sure to hit the Save button. Now that you've finished entering in your staff names and photos, selected your business categories, and uploaded your resources, your company profile, your logo, etc., click on the Preview button on the Content tab, and this will show you exactly what your virtual booth will look like when attendees visit. So click the Preview, and here's what you'll see. So now you can see a preview of your virtual exhibit booth. Here's the logo you added, the name of your company, a chat tab, which will be a running chat with attendees, a link to view your website. We've got the map disabled, so this will not point to any map. Your social media links are over here on the right. The company description that we added, our video, and resources that we uploaded, including brochures, a link to our Zoom virtual meeting, another PDF document, and then our Gold Star document that we added. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see your exhibitor staff names. You can upload images, pictures of your staff, as well as contact information, so virtual booth attendees can contact your exhibitor staff. On the Zoom virtual meeting, you can enter in a message here if you'd like to have Zoom virtual exhibit hours outside of our live event. For example, if you wanted to do a pre-event Zoom meeting with attendees, you can put a message in here that says, click this link to join our Zoom virtual visitation hours on September 1st, 2020 from 1 to 2 p.m. You don't have to confine your exhibit hall hours to the dedicated hours that we have advertised during the live event on September 9th and 10th. This virtual booth will be on our website through the end of the year, so you can get as much promotional value out of this as possible. So that's our virtual exhibit hall platform. We appreciate all of our exhibitors, and we hope you have a great virtual event with us in September. Feel free to reach out to the CAI staff if you have any questions.